Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Durable, how to create a website for your home improvements business. On Durable isn't quick, so first type Durable on the search. As we know, Durable website is a place on the internet where you can find information and services related to things that are last a long time or are strong and able to withstand wear and tear. It's all about things that are built to stay in good condition for a while. Also, we know you can build websites in just 30 seconds with AI. Uh, this AI website builder can generate an entire website with image and copy in seconds. So first of all, let's sign in. Now create your business, your new business. Now enter your business name. Now select your industry. And now enter your location and choose your website language, and let's create this business. So now wait a few minutes or a few seconds to generate this website business. So first of all, let's go to the first section. You can edit it from here. This is the header section. If you want to change the site name, just from here. Also, if you want to turn this on the logo and upload the file, if you want to change the label, and if you want to add a link, external link. Also, if you want to manage your social links, you can add a channel and select a social link. Just select the type of the social links and you can add a link. uh, Now let's save this and let's move on to the next section. Before we move to the next section, if you want to add a section, just click here, and now you can select any section you want. So that's it. Let's move on. You can edit it from here. You can edit this. Just click regenerate, and it will be regenerated. So also the subtext, if you don't like it, you can regenerate it just like this. Now, if you want to turn this on and change the label, also if you want to add the link. So that's it. Save it and let's move on to the next section. The next section, this is the image section. If you don't like it, just regenerate. Also, if you want to manage the image position from here, so just save it and let's move on to the next section. This is the text section. If you don't like the text, just regenerate it and save this and let's move on to the next section. The next section, this is the list section. You can edit this. You can also manage your display settings. You can manage the image and the icon and the heading, the content and the button. So that's it. If you want to manage the list items here, if you want to add list item, you can generate image. You can manage the image position. You can generate a title. Also, you can generate the content, and you can add a label, and you can add a link. So that's it. Let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The next section, this is the testimonial section. You can add testimonial. You can generate the code. You can also generate by who. You can upload a file here. So that's it. Let's move on. Let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The next section, this is the gallery section. If you want to change this, also if you don't like this image, just click generate. if you want to upload a file or photo from browser or from library, and let's pick some images from here. For example, I'm gonna choose this. So let's save it and let's move on. So the next section, this is the location section. You can change this. Also, if you want to change your business address, if you want, if you want to add additional text files, you can add a title or you can add a content here. Now let's move on to the next section. Let's save this and let's move on to the next section. This is the contact form section. If you don't like it, you can regenerate it. You can manage files here. Also, if you want to custom input labels, you can add a name. You can just turn this on and it will be turn it on. If you want to generate the form success message like this, so save it and let's move on to the next section. This is the last section, the footer section. If you want to change the business name, if you don't like it, if you want to turn this on, the logo, and upload the file from here. If you want to add additional details, also if you want to turn this on and add a label or change the label, also you can add a link. You can manage your social link settings. Also here you can add a channel. You can just select the social links type. That's it. You can also add a link. So let's save this. Before we complete this editing of this website, if you want to regenerate the content, just click on the content, select the content, and it will be regenerated. If you don't like the style, you can regenerate it. Also, if you don't like the entire section, just click entire section and it will be regenerated. Uh, if you want to duplicate the section, just click here and that's it. If you want to delete it, you can delete it from here, from this icon of delete. If you want to move it up or move it down, so that's it. Let's save this and wait a few seconds uh, for create our business, our website business. So that's it. You can just create this, click here and this will be create. You can create your website business easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.